This is engine 2. It's a 2016 Freightliner Pierce. It's got a Cummins 6. And this is the truck that was engine 3 that was on that video, responding to a call. I believe engine 2 is on the west side of Fountain Inn. Not the greatest view, but hey, at least you can see it. I mean, it's not a big truck by any means, but it's the right size for brush fires, what have you. It's not even all-wheel drive, but it's a perfect size truck for any emergency right now, which is great. So even has a it's different amazing ideas. So it's very common in newer trucks. So it's a great truck actually.